Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Spring onions. Spring onions are very popular vegetable and they come in different varieties including white, yellow and red. These tender onion bulbs are great in taste and also rich in nutrients. From a long time, spring onions have been used in Chinese traditional medicines. They are also called as scallions. Cultivated since prehistoric times, the versatile spring onion with its vivid green stem has long been a favorite to add a dash of color to stir-fried dishes. The vegetable also gives a delicate onion flavor and crunch when eaten raw in salads, sandwiches, and salsas. A sprinkling of crispy fried spring onions adds another dimension to Asian dishes. The Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, and Chinese all planted and used this vegetable. Spring onion is believed to have originated in the Far East and has been a favorite in China and Japan for centuries. Chives and spring onion appear in Chinese history records from 2000 BC. Like its relative, the bulbous garlic plant, this plain looking vegetable has been credited with amazing powers to cure colds, improve poor eyesight, and even ward off evil. Spring onions belong to the same family of vegetables as garlic, leeks, and chives. The straight leaf is the main variety of spring onion found in supermarkets and fresh food markets. The other selections of this variety include the Dynasty Winter King and Summer King. Alright, so let's see the nutrition facts. Spring onions are very rich in vitamins including vitamin C, vitamin B2 and thiamine. They are strong source of flavonoids such as quercetin. Alright, so now you will see a table indicating nutrition and its values. See the table carefully so you will understand the values of each nutrition. Health benefits of spring onions. Spring onions helps healthy heart. The presence of antioxidants in spring onions helps in preventing damage of DNA and cellular tissue by inhibiting the action of free radicals. Vitamin C helps in lowering high cholesterol and blood pressure levels in the body, which in turn lowers the risk of heart disease. Spring onions improves bone density. Spring onions are loaded with high levels of both vitamin C and K. Both of these vitamins are essential for normal functioning of bones. Spring onions also maintains normal vision. Green onions contain carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin that exert an eye protective effect. This green vegetable contains vitamin A that plays a vital role in maintaining normal vision and keeps our eyes healthy. Spring onions lowers blood sugar levels. Since onions contain sulfur compounds, they help in lowering the blood sugar levels. As onions helps to lower blood sugar level, if you suffering from diabetes, make sure you check your sugar regularly. Spring onions prevents stomach complications. Spring onions helps to prevent diarrhea and other stomach complications. They also improve your appetite. Spring onions improve immunity. The high level of vitamin C in spring onions is an immune boosting vitamin. It helps build white blood cells, that is WBCs, to fight against infection. Thus, they exhibit antibacterial properties and help us combat common diseases like cold, cough, and flu. What you need to be careful about this nutrient is to cut or chop it and wipe up a dish immediately and consume it. It is highly volatile, so some amount of it lost if kept for too long on exposure to air. Spring onions maintains blood pressure. The sulfur compounds in spring onions are known to keep blood pressure under check. Thus, those suffering from high blood pressure can look forward to adding this ingredient to their basket while shopping. Just beware not to go overboard with the usage of salt when cooking using this vegetable and in general for hypertension. Alright, spring onions helps to cope up with diabetes. Here the sulfur compounds and antioxidant quercetin together help keep blood sugar levels under control. They tend to play a role in this by increasing the production of insulin. Diabetics can add spring onions in a variety of ways to their diet. Pair it with other diabetic friendly ingredients and go healthy forever. One high fiber child made with buckwheat, oats and spring onions is a great choice to start your day's meal with. Alright. Spring onions reduces the risk of cancer. The sulfur compounds and quercetin helps the body to get rid of the harmful free radicals which are mainly caused due to stress, pollution and internal body mechanism. These, if not cut off from the body, will show damage to DNA and cells. Spring onions may prevent stomach complaints. The fiber in the spring onions is to be credited for this, whether cooked or raw. They help your digestive system to work smoothly, so without much concern you can think of including them daily in your diet. Try and avoid processed foods like maida and include spring onions with a variety of healthy flours to make recipes like spring onion roti. Embraces heart healthy benefits. Spring onions have also been identified to low cholesterol levels in the body. The vitamin C also puts you at less risk of heart disease. Studies have proven that vitamin C helps reduce inflammation and also relaxes the blood vessels which carry blood to the heart, thus protecting the heart from onset of stroke. Spring onions improve skin health. The macronutrient vitamin C, that is 24.3 microgram per cup, is the nutrient which participates in collagen synthesis in the body. This collagen is needed to maintain skin elasticity to provide the necessary smoothness to skin and prevent wrinkle formation. Spring onions aid in weight loss. Being very low in calories and fat and encompassing a basket full of nutrients, they are looked upon as a weight loss vegetable too. Moreover, the fiber, that is 1.3 gram per cup in it, beneficial too. It gives you a feeling of satiety and promote healthy weight loss. Go creative and experiment with healthy ingredients. Alright? Fun facts of spring onions. Spring onions are also called as scallions. Spring onions also can be eaten raw. Side effects of spring onions. Stop eating onions if you have undergone any surgery. There are chances that onions might increase the risk of bleeding or interfere with blood sugar control during after surgery. Some people might suffer from skin irritation or eczema. There are chances of people suffering from stomach distress or pain after eating onion. How to store and buy spring onions? Choose spring onions with a bright green stalks and firm white bulbs. They should be fresh looking with no wilting or browning of the stalks. Avoid bulbs with soft or discolored patches. If you want to store it for a shorter time, then you keep them outside depending on the temperature inside your kitchen. If it is too hot, then the leaves starts to wilt. If you want to store it for a longer time, then keep it inside the refrigerator. Keep them in a crisp drawer, sealed well in a plastic bag, and they stay fresh for about 2 weeks. Best time to eat spring onions? Whether it is raw onions or cooked onions, they are loaded with benefits. Hence, you can eat them whenever you want, day or night.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.